Waterfalls, into the familiar yet unknown. Cold winter winds on training runs, the diligence of getting out the door alone to meet the Nebraska frozen tundra. Simple yet crucial routines leading up to the race into the familiar but unknown. Friendship, brotherhood, a running circle like no other, the Breakfast Club. Their connection, conversation, challenge, empathy, prayers, and love reach deep. We all crave that, humbled to have it. That depth would be leaned on, embraced, and savored on the latest journey of trail miles. The Pacific Northwest, Columbia River Gorge, Waterfalls. A river runs through it, 1,243 miles in length, thousands of years of history. The Nez Perce, Chinook, Shoshone, Shushwags, and countless other indigenous cultures. Salmon runs, both key for subsistence and spirit. Westward expansion, explorers, settlers, fur trading, canneries, forts, all grasping at the life the river gives, changing, molding, destroying, but also building. Waterfalls remain a constant. Their plunge, roar, and plume march on through the ages. Individuals gather at the soggy starting grounds, all committed to a single goal. Wet, rainy, dark. Runners mill around with palpable nervous energy, looking into the familiar, yet unknown.
Good morning.
What are we thinking?
We're thinking, let's go get it, man.
It's temperature-wise not bad, 38, 39,
Yeah.
no wind.
Light drizzle.
Drizzle, that's typical Oregon. So
Yeah.
let's go, make it happen today.
Yeah. Trail yesterday looked beautiful.
Let's go.
Beams from headlamps spill onto the shoe, pack, and shirt brands. Gear is checked, laughter shared, watches synced. Memories of training are drawn on and provide some assurance. All line up to pass through the gate, a sojourn on a path filled with history and adventure. For each, a chance to forge their own chapter with feet, legs, and lungs. Waterfalls beckon. The dark soon envelops. Only small shafts of light from the source on a runner's head point the way. Road narrows to rocky path. Mud reveals itself. Rain. A constant today as much as the waterfalls. Miles stream by. Hills climbed, brooks crossed, rocks negotiated, waterfall spray absorbed. Awe and wonder in the soul. Water in all of its forms persistently touches the runner. Rain pounds the protective jackets, and sleet chill the bones. Forging streams cleanses the shoes and shocks the legs. Reality of time, place, and effort are at the forefront of thought. Pain is married to joy and humility. Treading on sacred ground, not as a tourist from the confines of a car, but through the rhythmic contact of feet to earth. Each step takes one further into the familiar, yet unknown. The headwaters of life flow differently downstream for everyone, sometimes turbulent, sometimes measured, only rarely unhurried, always moving even if we ourselves see little progress. Feeling the cold mist on your face and hearing the thunder of the fall of water onto rock reminds you of the blessed nature of moving as humans have moved across this landscape for eons. With friends, with purpose, with gratitude, with faith, we have returned home as waterfalls ourselves, sharing the source of the falling water, the living water, through faith, love, and stories. Waterfalls.